Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of Google Pixel Watch copy version. So this you can purchase from AliExpress. Seller is Zorwing, link is in the description. So we're going to unbox it and check out all of its features. So as you can see on the box, we have Open Wear Pro application support, and it comes with an AMOLED display and quick detach function as well, which I'm going to show you in few minutes. So let me peel the plastic off and let's see what's inside the box. So you can order this in different colors, as you can see, black and silver and gold as well. So let me just, as you can see in the box, we have a strap which is in white color. If you order it in black color, it comes with a black strap. So as you can see, 22 mm is the size, I believe, and here's a wire which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So as you can see, we have a charging cable, and user manual, which we don't need actually. I'm going to show you how you can pair this watch. So the build quality is great. As you can see, it looks exactly like Pixel Watch. So on the right hand side, as you can see, we have crown key and power button, and there's a speaker hole, I believe. And let me peel this plastic off from the back side as well. We have different sensors as well. So the application is OnWear Pro, and as you can see, we can quickly detach the straps, as you can see, and it is using 22 mm size, I believe, and very easy to install, as you can see. So let me pair this with my smartphone. As you can see, we have to scan the QR code. Now it's connecting, as you can see. Let me just click on pair and click on confirm. Pair and confirm. As you can see, now it is ready to use. So let me just click on finish, and here's the application, as you can see. So guys, in terms of build quality, I am really liking this watch, and it looks exactly like Pixel Watch. So if I click on crown key, as you can see, it turns on and off, but it doesn't go into the menu. As you can see, if there is a button on top which goes quickly into sports mode, and as you can see, if I swipe from the bottom, it goes into quick menu, and if I swipe from down, as you can see, notifications. On right hand side, activity. And let's see if they are using real sensors in this one. So as you can see, fail to measure. So I'm going to check on the table as well. As you can see, it's not picking up, and failed again. So that means they are using a real sensor, which is a good thing. As you can see, if I put my fingers away, it automatically failed. So that means they are using real sensor. And on the right hand side, on the left hand side, as you can see, we have our menu, which you can change. I really like the list menu, as you can see. So the smoothness, it is not the smoothest watch in my opinion, but as you can see, the display quality is amazing, guys, and the resolution is also good, and there is no haptic feedback on the crown key as well. And here are the watch faces, as you can see, and there is a notification I received right now. So these are the watch faces, as you can see. I'm going to set this one. Looks really good in my opinion because of AMOLED display. And let's check the animation of sports mode. As you can see, it tells you heart rate, calories and everything. So let me just go back and change the menu style. You can do this quickly by pressing the crown key as well. So let me show you the detach feature, what they were mentioning, and this is actually, you can also turn this watch into pocketable watch as well. So we have, as you can see, let me just quickly attach this one. I think it's the other way around. Let me just see. It's really hard to put this during shooting, so let me just put this on top. So as you can see, we receive a, we have a wire as well. So let me attach this, and you can make this as a pocketable watch, which is also really good. So if you ordered this in gold color, I believe it's going to look really amazing, as you can see. So this is the feature that they were mentioning, and looks really good in my opinion if you want a pocketable watch. And I'm really impressed by the build quality, guys. It's amazing. The build quality is fantastic in my opinion. So as you can see, back from the back side. Now back to the menu style I was talking about. As you can see, this is a different menu style. So I really like the list menu because it's easy to navigate, and as you can see, this one, it's sluggish and slow. So let's change it to another menu style. Let me go back and go into settings, menu style. Let's check this one, and this, as you can see, this also looks very nice. So you can change quickly by double tapping the crown key. This one also looks very good, but the main one is this one, guys. I really like this one. Now let's check out the watch faces in application. As you can see, these are free watch faces that you can install, and we are going to see how much time it takes to install a watch face. So let me just pick a watch face. Let's install this one. Click on confirm. So as you can see, guys, it's installing very slow, which I really don't like. In MT200 the watch face is installing very quickly, as you can see, but in this one it takes a lot of time to install a single watch face, which I really don't like in copy watches. But the watch face looks good in the end, as you can see, because of the resolution. The resolution is high, as you can see, and looks really good. So you can change the brightness from quick menu as well. And let me just show you always on display. So we have two different styles, as you can see. One is analog and the other one is digital, and it also doesn't support palm gesture. So as you can see, we don't have palm gesture in this one as well. So let me just wait and show you how it looks. As you can see, it looks really good. The analog style of this always on display looks really good in my opinion. So let me change it back to digital, and you can change the timing of always on display as well. I'm going to show you. Wait, so let me click on digital clock, and always on display you can set it for all day as well, which is a really good option. So let's see how it looks, the digital one. And as you can see, guys, it's looking really good. I really like this one. As you can see, looks really good in AMOLED display, and it is bright as well, so which is a good thing. Thumbs up for that. And overall the watch is really good, guys. In terms of price, I'm not complaining actually. So, and the display, I really like the display of this watch as well. The resolution is good. As you can see, text are clear, and as you can see, the bezel size is also good. So it looks exactly like Pixel watch. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.